Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jerica Monique here. So today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this Amazon Donmily hair. I will have all the information if you're interested in this unit down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So this is their curly human hair lace front wig. It's a 13x6 free part. It's unprocessed Brazilian Remy hair, and it does come with baby hairs. The hair density is 150%. This color is in 1B, and this is a 14-inch unit. So this hair is like absolutely beautiful, and it was under $100. Like, for this quality of hair and like the texture and everything and the length, and like I said, this hair is on Amazon, so if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it in 2 days. I received it today and I was like so excited to film this video for you guys. Definitely check out the link below. This hair is bomb. Like, it does shed a little bit, but I mean, its hair is gonna shed, so I'm not one of those people that's like too pressed on shedding unless it's just too much, like excessive, which this unit is not. So like I said, this is a 14-inch, and this is where it falls on me right here. This curl pattern, this texture, everything. The hair is so bouncy, and I did do like a little side part right here. And once again, thank you Amazon Donmily Hair for again reaching out to me. I really appreciate it. Also, if you're interested in this makeup look using really affordable products, I did film a video for it. So I don't know if it's gonna be out before this video or after, but definitely be on the lookout. Please, 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 be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you're instantly notified every time I upload a video. And I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Don't leave me here alone. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Don't leave me here alone. So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shine here, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.